Hi, Jesseb here. Let's take a look at something called nesting functions. Now, nesting functions is a way that you can take multiple functions, more than one, and they may not be the same, and put them together to accomplish a job. So first we need to kind of understand each one of these functions. Let's take a look at the left. Basically, the left is a function, pretty straightforward, equal left, as you see here in the formula bar. We want to look at this cell, D4, and we want to pull the first 6 characters starting from the left side of the cell. So it looks, and of course, starts with M-I-C-K-E-Y, and that is left. Now, the main thing that we want you to remember here is the number. See the number 6 up there? We want to pull 6 characters. Now, let's look at another one. So here we're looking at find. And notice the find is specifying a character. I need to look for something, a character. I need to look for that character in D4. And in D4, the first occurrence of the character I'm looking for, tell me how many characters that is to the Y. And counting all the letters up to the Y, including the Y, how many characters? And that's a total of 6. So that gives us a number. Now here in this last example where we're bringing them together, we have left looking at D4 where the name is. But notice we have now added, instead of a number, we've added the find. And here with the find, I'll put a little space in there so you can see it's separate. Here in the find, remember, returns a number. So we're looking for the space, and that is after the lowercase b. So that would be a total of 4. But we want to subtract 1 from it because when we pull the name, we only want to pull the first 3 characters. So that will give us 3, and the 3 is fed over to left, and left pulls the first 3 characters of the name. So we're going to try a formula here. Now take a look at this example. We have names, and those names appear in front of the @ symbol. So we want to pull the names out, and of course the names are different lengths, so we need to know how many numbers up to the @ symbol. So we're just going to add our nesting function here. So we need equal, left, and of course we're looking at our cell. And then remember we're adding find. And find is going to be looking for the @ symbol. And then a comma. Within what? Within the text right here. And the starting number is going to be the first occurrence of the @ symbol. But remember, when we reach the @ symbol, we want to subtract 1 number from the total count up to the @ number because it's including the @ symbol. And we subtract 1, that just gives us the length of the name. So then we can close our parentheses for the left and then check it off, and we have the name. Then, of course, the autofill, just double-click and it'll fill all the names down. Have a great day.